How to fix Spotify not downloading music. Firstly, open up your Spotify, and in order for you to download the music offline, you must have a premium account. So make sure you have a premium account before downloading the music. And if you have the premium Spotify account and you are still not being able to download the music, might be because you are using a cellular data. And make sure that your cellular data is turned on before downloading the music on cellular. And in order to fix that, go to settings. And here you can see that download using cellular is turned off. Make sure it is turned on. If this does not help, the next option is to go to your Play Store and update your Spotify. And even if that does not help, the last option is to clear cache on Spotify. For that, long press on Spotify and go to App Info. And from here, click on Clear Data and clear all data and clear all cache. This might help you. And in this way, you can fix Spotify not downloading music.